Hey guys, we're going to be putting some guides and some hardened seats in some early small block Chevy heads. Here's the brand new guides we're going to be installing. Hardened seats, some of the tooling, air hammer. Let's get after it. Alright guys, let's bang these guides out. Now we're going to be reaming these valve guides. They were just a semi guide. Now we're reaming them to the proper fit. Alright, I got the head flipped over. We have to cut down these guides with this special cutter. Let's get after it. So when I was doing this, I have this deal right here. It has a stop, so I set the stop and then do every single guide so they're all at the same height. Alright, here's what it looks like when we're all done cutting them. We'll flip the head over and put some hardened seats in this thing. Alright, we got the head all flipped over and level. Here's the cutter we're going to be using to cut the cylinder head for the hardened seats. So you put it in there. And the machine has a set stop. We set the seat in there, set the stop, and that puts you at the correct height for the seat installation. All right, here we go. One down, 3 to go. I'm going to put you guys on a speed lapse and show the rest of them. Alright, we got them all cut. Let's get them installed. I'm going to be using Loctite, mainly for lubrication purposes. These seats stay in strictly over press fit. Alright, now we're going to be cutting the seats. This is a 3-angle cutter. Oops, bad angle. Alright, it's cutting the 60 right now. Here comes the 45. And there's the 30. There's the angles. I'll zoom in a little bit later and show you guys. Just finished cutting all the exhaust seats on this Chevy head. I think that's going to do it for this one. Come back again and we'll show you the final process of this thing. We'll finish buzzing up the seats, throw it in the surfacer, putting some paint on it, and getting it ready for the customer.